Hi guys, come and pack Chloe's order. Now Chloe is another friend that I met on TikTok. I'm very thankful for TikTok for that reason, for introducing me to so many amazing ladies. And she has placed an order during our Nothing Over 20 sale, so let's pack it. So first, Chloe has ordered one of our Just Add Water makeup remover pads. Which is this. It also comes with instructions. A liquid matte lipstick in the colour Vivid, which is this colour. Come see. Put that in there. You also ordered a jumbo lipstick pencil in mauve, which is buy one get one free. So that's these two in that colour. And then you also ordered one of our lipstick pencils matte in wine. And then you also got one of our baby pink bow makeup headbands. Super cute. I've run out of our thank you cards, so I need ones where I write on them, so I need to put more of these in. Thank you so much for your order, Chloe. I hope you love everything.